Engineering and Technology Manufacturing Process ME3393. Classification of shaper. Shaper machine, shaper mechanism, crank slotted ring mechanism, shaper mechanism, crank slotted ring mechanism. Then various types of crank slotted ring mechanism. Crank slotted lever return motion, shaper mechanism with quick return mechanism, shaper mechanism, hydraulic mechanism, tool header, feed mechanism. Then different types of diagrams. Planer machine, different types of shaper and planer. Drilling machines. Standard operation drilling machines. Standard operations. Portable drilling machines. Sensitive drilling press parts. Milling machine. Then thank you.